And so when this party no is a confusion gets here as a party man grassroots no John Mahama ombehwe pa. Onya His Excellency ombe break down ni na say Mahama akwa appointing Rosemond Oben na oye Bawumia personal assistant. Bawumia personal assistant. Mahama akwa the position as a senior minister. Minister for you na one never that woman. Mahama am on this position. I'm a social and transfer and this for no ebofu. Omoge kebipa edechira Mahama. I Penyah Block Media. Let's watch any video. Over like video no under my subscribers and some make the notification and update. Na betre wa join the amame e wo comment section. Message wa so baso. No wa shiri no first enye bi ahwe. And yes akọ social na montre so asema edges for kan nyina say monkey go to work where bamboo the chop one side where monkey the work. Then nyina fa Rosemond Oben. Na me tell pa oye. Rosemond Oben na oye ex-Bawumia's personal assistant. There's not oye personal assistant to Bawumia. I'm a ya. In 2022, Rosemond Oben make a post on Facebook. According to the post, now Rosemond Oben to the Mukra say school to me call your way nyina no eye Bawumia ene support no Bawumia second Bawumia ni ho no mo anka Rosemond Oben anka wantime ready school eti no just say Bawumia dey on to tuna say Bawumia dey na kuma to pa Emma from there no Bawumia appointing as a personal assistant now your personal assistant to Bawumia I say personal aid na out of nowhere don't know for you about him no Ebeka be 4 days to election exactly 3rd December 2024 and Rosemond Oben got na GH1 TV so and then you all call Bawumia say Bawumia he's not fit to be a president just say only boss only what it takes to be a leader.
I realize Dr. Bawumia lacked leadership. He was not just my boss, he was like a father to me. At a point in time, an incident happened at the office. But I will not go into details now. I won't go into details. But with the approach to that particular situation, I realized it lacked leadership. I realized that.
What was the approach?
His approach lacked boldness, firmness, fairness, and courage.
Really?
And these are essential qualities of any good leader.
But there's a leader who is saying he has bold solutions, for the people of Ghana. You are saying he lacked boldness in taking decisions at his office?
He cannot. I came to the conclusion that with what happened, he's easily manipulated and dictated to.
Really?
It's sad, but people control Dr. Bawumia.
Seriously?
People tell him what to do. And it's sad that a leader will not have an opinion of his own. It's sad.
This is the vice president.
I'm at there tells that now Radio Good FM. I will carry the same story. I said Bawumia de no I hear Bawumia as the personal assistant only Bawumia partner tamana only Bawumia no. Now Bawumia was not offering any clear direction to his people. Just say only she Bawumia ni she Tunisia to abanamano. That was when Rosemond Oben ever joined the NDC. Just a few days to election, 4 days to election. And Rosemond Oben ever joined the NDC. It was a commission, and was a start air fly media as a post in the Ghana web and a report here said Mahama has appointed ex-Bawumia's aide, is the Bawumia's personal assistant, Rosemond Oben as senior presidential staffer. Yeah, presidential staffer, they are all ministers. It is senior presidential staffer. It means senior minister. Say they go for the appointed or Safo Manfo as senior minister. And Mahama appointed Rosemond Oben as senior minister. Now appointed to buy no. And NDC is a full soldier, the grassroots, there be massa. His Excellency, everybody say, you want to say, Panamne, say Bawumia, personal assistant. And your Bawumia Nankasa, no, personal assistant. And our fan as senior minister, and any NTB that. We answer the NDC for a work for.
Sometimes no position, no, yes, bia, a buy no underperforming, and as I buy no money home. Because sometimes opposition now be kono. Grassroots in the party for the case of Montuaba now, we had the opposition. Nobody can convince me. Say from 2001 to 2009, President Kufuor Betenaso or underperforming. No, he did very well. President Kufuor did very well. He did his best. Despite on one maybe or yeah, but he did very well. But yet MPP co-opposition. So what I say. And sometimes I will grassroots in the I'm work co-opposition term. That time no swan. woman 1,000 Ghana obeji on tuaba on kompon wakoto woman 5,000 obeji di on kotuaba samre no so a you can say everything na wo wadwunim bia ye catch grassroots so onje obekọ aba no nto bebre na mponko sa cross no na NDC fa akọ trigger omako police across no na wonye police across na ebe hawo former vice president 8 and President Mahama appointing a presidential staffer appointing as a senior presidential staffer at the presidency. Reports be are marking kind of as a lady with what appointment. Kwame Jantwa Etimenya appointment. You Kwame Jantwa and young people in NDC, they are the same. Difference being him, they do something. Like it looks like a normal be say no, very funny. But it's not funny. A pushun kakra the by opposition. It will take the will of the grassroots from the party. It was somebody the chase no more. I can tell you, President Mahama launches series of events, programs, interventions, good social interventions, programs are on my team launching just last month, right this month. But you see, they are not trending, they are not going anywhere, they are not making the waves. On the media stations, they are discussing who to take over as a flag bearer from President Mahama. Even also discussing who leads the MPP race. Grassroots not doing free party in home kakra. You are losing the focus. And if you lose the focus, you don't know. Who bet Mama dollar bejina 7 cities still work opposition. So party ni grassroots ni bufu party man and penny for a woman. Who bet Mama yato dokuno ba 1 city still work opposition. And that is where NDC is heading towards. And yet any and show.
His Excellency John Mahama, this is a wrong appointment. This is a wrong appointment. I'm speaking for the youth and I'm speaking for the grassroots. The grassroots says I should tell you that this is a wrong appointment. I'm telling you the fact. Kindly terminate it with immediate effect. I'm telling you the fact. Because how can you pick your enemy's daughter as your biological doctor? You know what I'm saying, Anthony? Please. For the past 8 years, Ex-Bawumia nante saa ebe sine na few days to election na o say Ex-Bawumia chidi say o de ho be dom NDC a nye command position a senior presidential staffer. Please president, please, the grassroots are very angry. They are very angry. So what was so to for my better they make can say they are very angry. Please say they be ya friend ngwase ma no, please kindly terminate this appointment. And first from game bra because they go free suruban one here and please terminate this appointment. I know say you're not aware of this appointment, but if you get to know, kindly terminate it.
His Excellency John Mahama, we are a listening president. You listen to the grassroots. Emrebu appointments. Eme appointing. Me I would not be an ambekai. Would you say your Mukase man fa mani pakro yate ebaye tama modi sa efenisen eyi energy levy ebaye me say pia bonten ebeka say it's a wrong timing mutie esa suspended sa 11 you know and me denya ne yendra this week I am busy no African festival I am busy. And then my sorry adie bia you see appointment with senior presidential staff house the one His Excellency Ex-Bawumia receptionist no wa man post no minim do the post no man no me wa Julius Deborah me sremo for immediate effect munyi sa senior presidential staffer no every gain in sim. The grassroots are hungry because moye nieme bi. The same thing in 2016, His Excellency was doing marvelous. Mama who the wuru. And I'm going to aba. Echreye, and a reporto. Me kanu kribi achremo. Echrebiya nyesa. NDC for some more persevere. His Excellency bet $1 about 1 and 1. Ebeba. And smooth lose election poto. Opa oma your friend is saying kenke emra 10 pesos ye very poto opa wonim opa one ma cement kra emra 1 cedi ye very poto because of an appointment ni bi. The voice of the grassroots mu pa ba grassroots na to abama mo mate say your friend is saying mu pulling agent for no you need them next 4 years montwa moni nkonkosha wo mo me ka no kre montwa moni enkonkosha wo mo. How are you giving appointments no mo ya ma ye na no de ni bi NDC for me catch them saga no ye hwan e wo NDC mu campaign no ye ne say wo ye whistleblower mamode ya e no san de mo de enso beko because she's a gold digger. Enti nipa bebre ni ho a wo betima be yes position no I just obi a wase wo ba wo mi ada na. I'm asking you people. The grassroots are angry. Grassroots Mbappe president I was from home. The best ever poto 2020 asemba akope. Eye ekramo antimi anka ho asem. But we se nipa be po na ema egu ho a ye ntom 1 cedi. Saga no wo Bawumia office no amakwa Bawumia edo se ne receptionist to se hwan no we don't need her at the Flagstaff house. And mo command the post. Mo ban kwa bi post. Neat, nothing is working there. Airport honomono, Makofo be our to MPP near what to ho. Ever ye young crofo near young crofo, and I'm the membrana me pen back cranyera. Come over better mo day, our airport honomo. But my appointment is excellency. Every year, so I say one is her appointment, Sa girl, now Bawumia office, she have to go. Sir Rosemont or Beyonce no. Mamon Fanu ko fie honomo. We don't need her because on free fie honomo. Ah, nkwala kete ya omo nyina be ye a friend is saying omo book graduates omo what NDC TikTokers no. You can take some. Graduates sir omo what NDC TikTokers no so no. It's more patch say nkwala no they don't deserve to be at the Flagstaff house or that. Mutu ko fo bia no man post. Mutu before be anam na kwase a Flagstaff house one mo e we kra na kamo no tu mu kra pa kenye but baby amode as ade ne kokọ no hwe NDC for man hwe ye ewi bi amobewe no mo ma power biom so man hwe ye ne sa unnecessary appointment na mo de ma me mancrophobia MPP for no enti ko mo to serve o man na command we potosa. Why are you leaving some people in the same office to come and destroy everything? Why we brand munsua kasa na Ghana for hu mo bo no asama mo chance mo ba ya mo di your friend say akofa obi a wo Bawumia office say mo man presidential staffer just say NDC no ye ni obi a obetima say adwuma no ho. And this, we don't have anybody that can do that work. Say, senior one Surya. And then why the NDC you are like that? Huh? Motivating Crawford. His Excellency. These people, one more fear no more president. No, on person we what you say troka. Aman Allah ya seen musu. Mo amoto na mo be sa appointment no me say Allah ya see na emuku some person je yem animu gu ase a mo na monim be gu ase na mo ka se mo ahwe me ka no kure bi a kire mo se je yem o so won kwata mo a e na ye be kwakoto be fa obi no aba independent na to ama no because NDC no mo amoso be president na ye hu ade bi a wo mutirim mo person by all means ka mo e ka mo kwa na ka je mo kwa wo free ho na ka mo ayede mo manya ho no mo ahye kasa kwasi appointment we ka mo nye. So for Rosemont Obey, say what senior presidential staffer. Now say we NDC TikTokers now line now. Correct graduates, a big crowd masters. It's almost me just say no. This all for will be a free Bawumia camp. Now what they call Flagstaff house. Yeah, wait, anyone it's a threat.
NDC grassroots na say mo ya pekasa. Nyamia nim no kure. Mo ya pekasa too much. Yenduru baby ana say ya na MPP ya to abeti omo ana say ya omo ko appointing obi a eh de be ni kasa yi say president appointing former vice president in Ada onim the reason get national fuel for 4 good years Murefi say yenya cameras na hidden cameras of your no it is a government
president appointing na oni bibi e wo fio obetima boa president ama ne ho atono se bibi nkoyi a obema na hu iti munim say president ade on the order onjene wa hu say NDC mbebulu bi ye campaign ti e wo say me form adwuma ana say wo say me appointing omo nya botre ne enko baby a na munjai ana say ya ana yetuti a ne sa ne o mana mkeke so fa so ne den iti Ghana man Penyah na adwe nya adwuma say obi oye MPP ni esa ye vice president ni aid me fa na adwuma munya botre ne nduru baby mo pre too much.
It's funny how some of you are trying to defend this whole appointment. It's very funny. You don't know. Obi Kachem said the lady did the last minute interview. That did the magic. Last minute interview, baby. 8 years in opposition, lady in interview not better in the last minute. Now you better to abandon. And on the man NDC winning elections. What are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me? Sometimes some of you comment, I'm not sure maybe that's a answer. We just wake up and start talking as if say Jimmy. When what goes into it before I'll be recording one video. And I'm saying him there can be a appointment in a year be a yo. You're level headed. Appointment ni be, but you're level headed. What did I make a show? This lady was a WUCOM, not a woman organizer, Matescom, University of Ghana. This lady became the aide to the vice president in 2018. Or the 2 minutes to 2024 were enjoy. We did dear me. And now, where did dear me now? Also, you are giving such a person another position to come and enjoy. Abre binu TV omuni di accommodate microphone. Or MPP mo ka so deputy youth organizer and MPP for MF no. And na ho ya wo ne amene fini no the free party no sha say or snitch. Somebody who was able to snitch the vice president cannot snitch NDC. Who catch her say no she was set as a spy, as an informant. MPP. Once an informant, always an informant. And really the intimacy. See, mamu no mohona monso. You guys are just tickling yourselves. Obi wa Juma in opposition for 8 years. Wa communicating. Look at the likes of Kwekubwa Hins and Co. They are still sitting there. They don't have anything to do. Senior presidential staffer. Odiama opponent 8. Bawumia, who is becoming the flag bearer, who was the flag bearer, ni 8. And yes, I can pious and Namaji demone, women or a Gideon Boakuma Bemo appointment. Now, who's the MPP is still in power. Me, I will say it how it is. Oh, we king base, the grassroots are not happy. This is what I want to tell you. They are not happy. Grassroots, Kakasa Wupa, man must send why ye, their mom. Why ye link? What's any why ye link? What be why ye portal and Kabuni Peguso? Kabuni Pegu why ye portal? Grassroots are not happy. What kind then you are coming to justify that President Mahama knows all? President Mahama, he doesn't know all. Or Nyame. President Mahama doesn't know all. Or Nyame, he's not God. That's why we are there to criticize him.
NDC ni just 4 days to election na and when appointment. What I say? You know your mama comment section. I Penyah Media.